I cancelled 4 software subscriptions last month: Photoshop, a voiceover service, a data analytics tool, and a presentation builder. I replaced all of them with free AI tools that do the same job, sometimes better. Here are the 5. Most people are still paying hundreds of dollars a year for software that AI has already replaced. The tools I am about to show you are not cheap knockoffs. They are genuinely better at specific tasks, and most of them are completely free to start. First up, Clipdrop by Beautiful.ai. This replaces Photoshop for 80% of what most people use it for. Background removal in one click, image upscaling, object removal, relighting photos, text to image generation. I had a product photo with a messy background. One click, clean white background, professional quality. It also has an uncrop feature that extends images beyond their original borders using AI. The quality is stunning. Free tier is generous. Pro is $9 a month. Photoshop is $23 a month and 10 times harder to use. Number 2. Rows. If you use spreadsheets for anything, this will change your workflow. Rows is a spreadsheet that has AI built directly into it. You can ask it to analyze your data in plain English. Import data from any API, any URL, any database. It pulls live data from LinkedIn, Google Analytics, Stripe, and dozens more. I connected it to my Stripe account and had a complete revenue dashboard in 5 minutes. No formulas, no pivot tables. Just told it what I wanted to see. Free for up to 3 workbooks. Pro is $9 a month. Number 3. Remove.bg. This does one thing and it does it perfectly. Background removal. Upload any image and it removes the background in 5 seconds with pixel perfect edge detection. Hair, fur, transparent objects, it handles everything. I tested it against Photoshop's background removal and remove. BG was more accurate every single time. It also has an API for bulk processing. E-commerce sellers use it to process hundreds of product photos in minutes. Free tier gives you standard quality downloads. Pro starts at $9 a month for full resolution. Number 4. Murf AI. Need professional voiceovers? Murf generates studio quality AI voices that sound completely natural. Over 120 voices in 20 languages. You type your script, pick a voice, adjust the tone, speed, and emphasis, and get a broadcast ready voiceover in seconds. I created a product explainer voiceover that my client thought was a real voice actor. The emotion controls are incredible. You can make the voice sound excited, serious, friendly, or authoritative. Free trial gives you 10 minutes of generation. Pro is $26 a month. A real voice actor costs $200 to $500 per project. And number 5, Beautiful.ai. This replaces PowerPoint entirely. You type a topic or paste a document and it generates a complete, beautifully designed presentation with AI, generated content, layouts, and visuals. I gave it a 1-line brief about a product launch and got a stunning 12 slide deck in 40 seconds. The designs are modern and clean, not template garbage. You can edit everything after. It also has smart slides that automatically adjust layout as you add content. Free trial gives you full access for 14 days. Pro is $12 a month. PowerPoint gives you a blank screen for $7, 5 tools, all free to start. All replacing software that costs hundreds of dollars a year. Stop overpaying for tools that AI has already made obsolete. Subscribe. I find these tools so you do not have to. See you in the next one.